Is the microphone on? Okay, it's on. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Before we actually get into the video, make sure. Oh no, it's this thing again. I hate that. That ruins my day. Okay, I gotta go. Okay, as I was saying, today is Skibidi washing machine. Well, before you actually start watching the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel right now. Do not miss any videos.
My style is ridiculous. My style is ridiculous. My style is ridiculous.
No, get out of here.
My style is ridiculous.
Is this
My
episode
style
4?
is ridiculous.
That's not the voice I know.
My style is ridiculous. My style is ridiculous.
What are you? I hope this doesn't take too long. Oh, wow! What does this mean? Okay. Just. What the freak is that camera? Okay. What? What are you doing? I guess we can. Oh my! What? Oh wait, what? What? Do not even. How? So we died. Oh wait, it's an episode. It's kind of hard to see because it's also dark. But this is definitely not. What the? What? What the what? What the what? Oh. I don't even know what to say. Okay, so one in. And then No. Did they just do something? What was that sound? Is that for satisfied? I think so. I had to fast forward it because. Wait. What the freak? What? Oh my god! Just throw that thing away. Leave it. The ball. I don't even know what to say. The toilet. Because that's what some people call. Wait, they moved it I'm excited. Watching it is just holy. He's like, I'm help you. I'm gonna go up again. What? Stop with that Skibidi. Okay. Titan camera. Oh my god, that was close. Is Titan camera gonna do anything? Yeah, that's close. I'm not even so. A toilet that has his mouth going across the washing machine before, and I just did the episode. Okay. Can we not look at? Okay. Season 5. Okay. Then camera's backing up. Okay. How long is this episode? I'm just waiting for. Okay. Is something wrong with him? Oh. Oh, just looks so. I can't believe he actually exploded. Look at that coming. He goes like that. And he just explodes. Like, what if he could do that? I don't even have any what to say. For this, I don't even know. What are you doing? Oh, this is what the battle actually be. Is this a toilet? He returned. The washing machine. Washing machine. Okay. Wow, we could just punch them. Bro. The free, not what. What? Wait, that's very secret now? Because look at the phone music secret. Okay, and we... How many episodes does this guy post? I want to know the seasons, and since I'm on playlist, I know there's actually episodes. Why is that one connected to... Why is that one connected to... Wait. That 70 washing machine guy was just in the buildings. Makes me kind of scared. How long have I been recording for? This is season 7, by the way. Let's subscribe and well, I don't know what that is. Oh, yeah, vehicles! And that's what how long have I been recording? Guys, I think this might have been the... Bloody. What is happening? Don't tell me I'm gonna be infected. No, he's infected. Ah, okay. No. I'm actually new to this series, by the way. What the? I've never been so close from this. Time to start 9. Okay, so everything's running. What? What the what? Oh my god! That's you again. Wait, no. I think Hillside disinfected him. Oh no. It looks like I was watching. No, this is bad. This is following us to the inside. Oh my god. And wait! We are on episode 5 This is episode 43. I know. I imagine if I just YouTube. 749. And what? Was he a mutant? But why wasn't supposed to see? Lastly, that's a Pills say it wasn't. Okay. So, what the freak? Am I even watching right now? Oh wait. Is this these things? Because that was affected Josh Sycamore. Okay. What the? What am I watching from the TV, man? Oh no! It's that mutant toilet. No, don't eat me! Oh! I just realized that that's a washing machine. I did not realize that. I was like, what happened to mutant washing machine guy? Or whatever his name is, but that is him! Okay, I gotta go on season 11. Okay. Save for sipping the clip, but no, I don't. What is that? This is one of the longest radio content I would have to make. Okay, it's 18. I also realized that this was also called Skibidi Washing Machine. We're on season 11 right now. Bro, was that Punter? Because I think it was just Punter I just saw. Wait, no. Wait, why would... We're not a Skibidi washing machine, right? Because I feel I could have died from that TV. Season 12. Okay, we have 40 and 49 episodes to go. Oh. What the freak? Okay. On to our last episode. We have one more episode after this. The freak. What? I did? Wasn't this? What the freak? What? So this is the last episode. This guy's posted. Okay. I should kill the guy. Camera woman model is not finished? What does it mean? I've been so camera woman in this series. But anyways, I'm on a low battery. But this is gonna be the ending for this video. So